what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Virus. So guys, everybody knows about coronavirus. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sanitizer and masks. I'm making it because all the sanitizers and masks are being finished. They're all getting over. So for that you will need this aftershave. You can take any aftershave. I'm just going to take 2 drops. Only 2 because I don't want to waste my father's new aftershave. I don't want to waste it. And 2 drops more. Like if you should take the same amount of water, pure water, how much you took the aftershave. 2 drops. Only 2 drops. 2 drops. 2 drops. Oops, I think I took much more water. Done. This water, you just take it in your hand and then rub it. Oops. It fell down. Rub it, this is a hand sanitizer. Wait, under me, something's under me. Nope. Other way to make it is you can keep some aloe vera. You can use some aloe vera gel in it, very little. The same amount you put this thing. What is this? Aftershave. But I forgot the name. You can rub it. This would be a better idea if you use this aloe vera gel. Why is it not disappearing? Now I'm going to show you how to make a mask. I want to make all the stuff go aside. All the stuff go aside. For that you would need a cloth. The cloth, a normal cloth, like not wool, just a normal cloth. Then you need some soapy water. In the soapy water, you should put some alcohol, anything of alcohol. Like I used aftershave because in aftershave there's alcohol. And to kill coronavirus, we use alcohol, so I'm using this thing. We dip it in it with soap. You see, in water, put soap and anything of alcohol, but not sanitizer. It's your wish, friend. But I put aftershave, it would be better for that. Then you take it out, press it, and this thing, we just put it out in the sunlight to dry. And when it finished drying, like when it dries up, you can just cover your face like this. Even if you want, you can fit some elastics with it. That would be a better idea, but I'm not going to do that. So let's go outside. Just follow me. Come on. I'm going to show. Come. So there's too much of sunlight in here. You guys can see, I'm just gonna come in the shade and show you. Guys, see how much of sunlight is there. There's too much sunlight. So this is a place where sunlight is there. Wait, let me cover. This is a place where sunlight is there. So I'm just gonna place it over here near my stairs. Wait guys, I know you guys can't see me, maybe you can see it, but I need to see. You just need to place it in the sunlight to dry it up. You better don't, you should only dry it with the sunlight. Just keep it to dry in the sunlight. It's done. Now I can't show you the rest of the video. Fine. Guys, let's go in my room. Now, after that finishes drying, you just gotta put this on your face. And after that, like when it becomes dirty, you wash it the same way you wash it. Or you can take the same dirty one and put it in the soapy water again. So and you can afterwards, like, so you can fit something type of thread of, like in mask, something will be the elastic type to keep it in your ears, to fit it in your ears, that thing. Or you can use any type of, you can use like a rope, something like a rope that can be in your ears. Otherwise, you can just keep it like this in this part. And make sure when you make this mask, it will cover your face, your mouth, and your nose. So guys, subscribe my channel, like my video, and ring the notification. I'm very lazy, and what all is left? Give it a thumbs up, like the video. No, thumbs up and like is same. I think I'm gonna have coronavirus. I've gotta run away and share this video. See you in the next video. Ring the notification, and the most important, subscribe my channel. And it's not gone. Oh, this camera is so stupid.